What is going on? I am back again with another one, and today we have the Air Max 1 Premium, and these are the corduroys. Now, as you can see, these come in a standard red Nike box. I did go for my true to size on these, which is a 7.5 UK, and these do come with an extra pair of laces, which are the sesame laces. Here they are. I mean, look at this. I was just wondering how premium these would be, but these are f***ing nice, man. Every panel on the upper is corduroy, like every single panel, including the swoosh, including everything. You know, everything on the upper is just corduroy, ocean blue, you know, like baby blue kind of thing, like extremely summer vibes, man, like proper summer vibes on these. I love the sesame swoosh as well, which is also corduroy, and I think they couldn't have done a better job with these, man. I mean, look at this. Now on the back you have the Nike Air logo embroidered, and what is that? What the f is that? Is that a stain on my brand new Nikes, bro? Is that a stain? Now the sock liner, the insoles are all the same color, as well as the back of the tongue. You also have the same color on the eye stays. You have the same color on the outsoles. But at first, you know, when you look at this, you think, okay, the outsole is black, the sock liner is black. But I think personally, you know, they've done a fantastic job with these. I don't think they could have done the colorway better than this. I think everything just goes really well with the white midsole, the obsidian, you know, eye stay, air bubble, the sock liner, and even the outsole. Now we're gonna swap out the laces and let's remove them now. So here it is, the tongue with the laces removed. Now let's put on the sesame laces. So here they are, guys, with the sesame laces, and this is a comparison with the blue laces. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one you would prefer, which one you would, you know, wear with these shoes. So yeah, let's carry on with the on feet. Now on feet, these are just absolutely crazy. Just, it's hard to describe. Okay, it's hard to describe. Because I've had my eye on these, but I didn't expect them to be this good. Okay, in hand is obviously phenomenal, but putting them on your feet, you know, seeing them right now, like I'm looking at this video, I was just blown away, man. The summer vibes on these, man. The summer vibes, the colors, this whole design with the corduroy. I think personally this is the best Air Max 1 we've had this year so far, and in my opinion this will definitely stay in my top 10 for 2023 of Air Max 1s. I love it, man. You know, I love it. I love the colorway. I love everything about it. But just getting the crease test out of the way, you know, so we can talk about the design later on again. It is a corduroy fabric, so you guys will be golden. There's no problem with these crease wise. The only thing I would advise on would be keeping these clean, and that should be your main priority with, you know, wearing the Air Max 1 Premium corduroys, because once there's a stain, you know, it's game over for you. You know, you're done. All right, so make sure you keep these clean, right? Protect them at all costs. That's all I can tell you. Protect these, man. Look at this shoe, right? The sesame on the tongue, the sesame on the swoosh, the blue is just mwah, you know, like chef's kisses type of blue. All right, but yeah, man, what can I tell you, bro? I mean, just I love them, you know. I do love them, and this is definitely a sneaker I will be keeping myself. Now, comfort wise, these are extremely comfortable, as most of you already know. Air Max 1s are extremely comfortable. They're known for comfort as well as the looks. And I can definitely tell you guys that these are an all-day sneaker for me. I can wear these throughout the entire day without a single problem. And this is why I love Air Max 1s, because they're extremely versatile. You can wear them with literally anything. Jeans, baggy jeans, skinny jeans, joggers, shorts, cargos, whatever you want. You know, these just seem to go well with anything. And you can't say that about every single shoe that's out there. And that's a fact, okay? Because I've been around some sneakers, and these are definitely one of my favorite silhouettes of all time, the Air Max 1. But yeah, I mean, I'd love to find out what you guys think on the colorway, on the materials. Yeah, future classic. Right here, man, future classic. Price-wise, I don't think these will go as high as, you know, the Sean Weatherspoons. I don't see that happening because of how limited the Sean Weatherspoons were compared to these. But you know, time will tell, I guess. Let's put it that way, you know, time will tell. Anyways, guys, that's it. That is it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And if you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. I'm also on Instagram, where you can follow me. You know, if you have any questions, if you want to talk. I'm not posting any shoe content yet, but they will come. But yeah, that's it. You know, I will see you on the next one.